Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a barcode scanner works and how it reads a barcode and sends product data to a computer or billing system. First, the process begins when the user points the barcode scanner at a product and presses the trigger. As soon as the trigger is pressed, the scanner activates its internal light source and sensor so it can start reading the barcode. Next, the scanner shines a red laser or LED light onto the barcode. Then, the black bars and white spaces on the barcode react differently to that light. The dark bars absorb more light, while the white spaces reflect more light back toward the scanner. After that, the scanner sensor, such as a photodiode or image sensor, detects the reflected light pattern coming back from the barcode. Because the reflected light is uneven, the scanner is able to recognize a pattern made from dark and light areas. Then, the scanner converts this reflected light pattern into an electrical signal. In other words, it changes the visual barcode pattern into digital information that the system can process. Once that happens, the internal decoder takes over. It reads the pattern of bar widths and spaces and translates them into numbers or characters. For example, this may become a UPC code, product code, or item identification number. After decoding, the scanner sends the data to a connected device such as a POS system, computer, tablet, or cash register. This connection can happen through USB, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi, depending on the type of scanner being used. As the data reaches the connected system, the software looks up that barcode in its database. As a result, it can display the product name, price, stock information, or other item details on the screen. Finally, the scanner gives confirmation that the scan was successful. Usually, this happens through a beep sound, an LED flash, or both, so the user knows the barcode has been read correctly. Moreover, modern barcode scanners come in different types. Some use laser technology, which is very good for reading 1D barcodes, while others are image-based scanners, which can read both 1D and 2D barcodes, even from mobile screens or at different angles. Overall, a barcode scanner works by emitting light, detecting reflections, converting the pattern into data, decoding the barcode, and sending the information to a system for quick and accurate identification. That is why barcode scanners are widely used in retail stores, warehouses, logistics centers, and healthcare environments. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.